Welcome back to All This Math. This is Professor Parker. Make sure you are subscribed to the All This Math YouTube channel. Make sure that you drop a comment down below. Make sure you share this video with somebody. Make sure you like the video. Just go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Like the video. All right. Now, today's math problem is brought to you by Earth Day. All right. Earth Day. This is Earth Day math. Right. And I was thinking about this old Nas line. You don't from Queens get the money off the Untitled album, also known as the N-word album, right? You don't know how high the sky is, the square mileage of Earth, or what pi is, right? That was a line, right? And it got me to thinking, because I was also thinking about how just like how people say the jokes write themselves sometimes the math problems write themselves. Here it is, right in that rap line is an opportunity for us to do some calculations. We can actually calculate the square mileage of Earth. The square mileage of Earth, meaning the area of Earth, the surface area of the Earth, right? If the Earth is a sphere, right? Now, if you're a flat earther, if you believe that the Earth is flat, I don't know the math that would help you with this, right? I don't know the math that applies to that. I know the math that applies to the Earth being a spherical object, all right? So that's no shade. I'm just saying, all right? That's beyond the scope of my current mathematical ability at this time. All right, so now we accept that the Earth is a sphere, right? And the square mileage would be the surface area of a sphere, all right? And there's a formula for that we can use. It is surface area is equal to, you say SA, which stands for surface area, is equal to 4 pi r squared. So basically it's the formula for the area of a circle, a two-dimensional circle, right? Multiplied by 4. That's basically all it is. Now, what pieces of information do we need? Now, Nas also said he was coming at somebody saying they don't know what pi is. We know that pi, these two are the same, right? Can be rounded off to 3.14. That's why Pi Day is March 14th, right? And then the radius of the Earth, do your research, go online, look that up. The radius of the Earth, let's do it in miles, right? We do it in miles. We could do it in kilometers too, deal with the metric system, but let's focus on miles because my man said the square mileage of Earth. And he said kilometers, right? So we're going to deal with that. So the radius of the Earth in miles at its widest point, its equatorial point, right? Around the equator, right? The widest part of the Earth is about 3,963 miles. So now we got all the information we need to find the square mileage of Earth. So the square, about this first part, you don't know how high the sky is. I don't know how to calculate that. I think you'd have to measure that because I don't know where the limit of the atmosphere is, where the Earth, well, I don't know where the Earth's atmosphere ends and where outer space begins. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. All right, so, but I can work with this. All right, so we got 4 times 3.14 times this number, 3,963 squared, right? And then you grab your calculator and get to work. And we can multiply straight across. Oh, but wait, order of operations, right? Let's deal with this exponent first. So 3,963 x squared, that's a pretty large number. That's going to be like 4 times 3.14 times, let me see, 369, 705. Okay, 15 million. 15,705,369. Now we multiply straight across. 4 times 3.14 times 15,705,369. All right, so now we got 197,259,434.6. And I'm going back every 3. This is the tenths place, ones place, tens place, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, right? Put a comma. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. All right. Miles squared, square miles. That's the square mileage of Earth, according to this radius. So the square mileage of Earth is, and I'm sure a lot of people don't know this, but you can calculate it though. It's cool if you don't have it memorized, but you can calculate it and figure it out. 197,259,434.6 square miles. All right. There it is. And pi, 3.14. But pi is an irrational number that goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and never stops. 3.1415926. That's how many digits I got memorized. I don't know a lot of the digits of pi. But all right. I want to thank Nas. Shout out to Nas for inspiring this math video for today on Earth Day, April 22nd, 2025, on the All This Math YouTube channel. Make sure you are subscribed to the All This Math YouTube channel. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Make sure you share the video. Make sure you like the video. All right. And check out some of our other work on our other playlists. We're close to, at this point, we're close to 900 videos altogether. We got topics ranging from arithmetic all the way up to calculus. Check it out. You might learn something. Peace.